everyone, I'm Mally. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be a clean with me video. I've been wanting to do this kind of video for a very long time now, and I just find them very fun, soothing, and motivating. They actually motivate me to clean my own home. I want to try it out and clean my kitchen. I actually have my kitchen to clean and like other areas in my house that I have to clean just because it's been like literally irritating me. I can't stand it anymore. I actually left dishes from last night because I was too lazy to wash dishes after dinner. So yeah, I literally need to start right now just to show you a bit. I have dishes that I have to wash, maybe the dishwasher that I need to clear out. Oh, not too bad, just a little. I have my counters to clean and sweep and mop. So that's what I am about to start on, and I hope you follow along, and I'm ready to like get into it. So let's do this. Here I'm taking out the dishes and placing them back where they belong. That's pretty much my routine. Every time before I clean any part of the kitchen, I have to clear out the dishwasher first and then go on to dishes and then like clean the counters. I mean, you'll see what I do in a minute. But yeah, like I'm also the type that likes to wash my dishes by hand and like leave them in the dishwasher to dry. Do you do this as well? If so, comment down below and let me know I'm not the only one that does this. So at around 10 or 11 is when I started to learn how to wash dishes. My parents taught me to start from cups to bowls and like leave the utensils to last. But now I don't always follow that rule, but I do like to wash the smaller dishes first and then like do the bigger dishes last because it's just, I find it way easier to do it like that. So yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you. Also, growing up in a Middle Eastern Hispanic household, plus being the oldest of 5 girls, doing dishes became my like duty. Who else relates to this? Please let me know. But yeah, it was my responsibility, and because of that I have a love-hate relationship with it. Actually, I feel that way about cleaning in general, but then it makes me feel really great afterwards. So it's whatever, but at least now I definitely consider myself a master pro at this stuff. So I have this little trick to help me get through washing dishes. At this point, you might notice me on FaceTime talking to my sister, but thanks to my hubby, I have this magnetic mount on the tile backsplash, so it makes it really nice for me to have a convo with my sisters or listen to music or podcasts, and it's just, you know, makes it less dreadful doing dishes, and it also makes it go by way faster. So don't be fooled by this part. I'm literally just getting everything off of that counter and putting them on another counter because at the time I had no idea where to put them. My husband and I have a bad habit of just like literally putting anything on top of that counter, and it piles up and it turns into, I just start getting stressed over it just by looking at it. So yeah, found them homes though, and hopefully it'll stay clean and clear like this for a while. But I just like the way the look of this counter with literally like nothing on there. And of course my husband has to, well, yeah, good job. Yeah, take that bag with you. Wait for it. Ah, my silly girl. Bye. But yeah, I decided to make it worthwhile and clean my blinds and clean out the water in the vase for my flowers. I've been into buying fresh flowers and putting them on the side of the sink. It just makes my days brighter, I guess. But yeah, now I'm cleaning this part of the counter, which gets so messy as well. And yeah, just clearing that up, putting everything where they belong. and wiping. And yeah, sorry about my shirt going up. Literally, like, I've gained weight, but what I have on is like most comfortable to me, so please don't judge me there. It's just, it's me, and it makes me comfy. So onto my kids' bathroom. The first thing I like to do is dust off the mats, put them in the washer, get them cleaned up, and just come back and sweep up everything off the floor because I just hate cleaning when there's just like stuff on the floor. I don't want to step on them. One of my absolute favorite ways to clean the bathtub or any other surface in the bathroom is using the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. It's literally such a lifesaver. It makes my cleaning job easier. You know, with such little arm work, it takes everything off. Any marks, stains, like those hard to get off stains and built up residue, it takes it all out, even on like glass or any kind of like shiny surface. It's amazing for that. And I'm just wiping down the rail because it got dusty, but I like having an antibacterial wipe when it comes to cleaning bathrooms is a must for me. I like to go between Lysol or Clorox wipes. They're amazing and they get everything off, and I just feel better that I know that I'm using effective products when it comes to cleaning our bathrooms. Another one of my absolute favorite products to clean with is the Clorox disposable toilet brush. It's amazing and effective, and I know I'm getting my toilet really cleaned. And you know what? I could just throw it away. I don't have to keep it like your old average toilet brush. So I love using it this way. Guys, I do want to say I'm sorry for the lighting here. I know it looks super orange, and I feel like it just gets even like oranger, if that's even a word, but yeah, I'm just pretty much wiping down and cleaning the mirror. I don't know why I started wiping down. I usually clean the mirror first and then wipe down the counter, and I remember to do that. So yeah. So I recently bought this adorably cute hand towel from World Market, and I thought it went so well with my bathroom. And I've also decided to get Kleenex paper towels because my daughter could get so messy when she's like brushing her teeth and using mouthwash. She like dirties up my hand towels. So I had to get paper towels, and it's even a great way for guests when they come over, you know, if they don't want to share the hand towel, they can just use the paper towels. Guys, I was really upset because the paper towels did not fit in the acrylic, and that really was a bummer for me. So I have to find like a longer acrylic tray maybe, I don't know, just something that will work for the paper towels. I'm almost done. I'm just giving the floors a good mop and putting back the freshly cleaned mats. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you did by commenting or liking the video, and please subscribe if you are new to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!